Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow house in Gazeland, St. Elizabeth is ready for occupancy. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining room, washroom, veranda, and a garage. The second floor consists of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchenette, living room, laundry room, veranda, that could be used as a self-contained unit for rental are ideal for student or in-law arrangement. This ideal property is conveniently located in close proximity to supermarkets, premier schools, and public transportation. The land area of this house is approximately 5,100 square feet. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $142,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.